I'm just going to ask you a couple of questions. First, what kind of symptoms were you having or were you suffering from?
Over 10 years, I've been suffering with acid reflux.
Okay.
I couldn't, it pain in my chest. It used to pain a lot. My food would feel stuck and the acid would come back up my mouth when I lay down to sleep. It was really uncomfortable. So I've been taking Nexium for a very long time, like over 10 years, and that's pretty long. I didn't want to take medication.
That leads to my next question. What type of treatments have you tried?
Just medication, Nexium, taking it in the morning.
Did that help you?
It did, but it's not what I wanted. It's because it took away the symptoms, but naturally I want to feel good without the medication.
Okay. How long did you say you've had acid reflux for?
Over 10 years.
And how has this condition affected your life?
It affected it because I wasn't able to like eat what I want because it bothers me that I'm gonna feel a certain way. And I just was like nervous that I have to take this for the rest of my life and then I might get side effects. So it affected me mentally and physically.
And were you able to sleep okay?
It was uncomfortable to sleep because I would have to sleep in a certain position because of the acid. It was really uncomfortable.
And what was your expectation coming in here to have the hiatal hernia maneuver done?
I'm just happy because I know from everything that I read, I know this is gonna help me. And so far, it's been a few weeks and I'm not on my medication and I'm feeling great and I'm doing a lot better.
Great. And would you recommend having the hiatal hernia maneuver done to someone else or to others?
I would, but I would like to keep it a secret, but just kidding. I would though. It really is something like, it's like magic. It's something that, I was thinking I have to do surgery. And I was like, I read about surgery and that's not the way to go. When I found you, I was like, this is what I want. So I'm very happy. And yes, I would recommend this to anyone.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys so much. If you got anything from this video, or even if you just like this view of the Empire State Building and the Chrysler Building, give me a like and don't forget to subscribe. Appreciate you guys.